what's up guys? I am out here at my storage unit right now and I'm kind of loading up some stuff because I'm heading out to Wasatch Overland to get the high roof installed, and I've got a max air fan that I need to get out here and a couple other things. So I'm just going to be loading up, getting the van ready, and I'll see you on the road tomorrow. Alright, well, I'm running about an hour late due to the fork mount inside the van that I was going to use to hold my Stumpy is fully seized and I can't get the lock open, but I'm on the road to Wasatch. Alright, so I'm in St. George now. I spent the day in Las Vegas doing some work out of a coffee shop, and I still got to get to Salt Lake City by tonight because tomorrow we're installing the high roof, but I wanted to try to get a ride in. So I remember hearing about a trail, I think it's called Zen Trail. I've never ridden in St. George, don't know what to expect, but yeah, I'm gonna go check this trail out and I'm gonna bring along a GoPro, so we'll see how it goes. I'll check back in once I get on the trail. Well, after a couple weeks of being sick, that climb was tough. Finally at the top of Zen. I think I'm gonna start going down. I don't know, but that was definitely a little techy. Haven't really done that much kind of tech climbing in a while, but it was fun. And the view's pretty crazy. All right, I just got done riding Zen. Pretty cool trail. I'm not sure how much descending there was. It seemed like it was a lot of climbing. For those of you around Santa Barbara, I would say it's like climbing Upper Cold Springs for like 2/3 of it, which may not sound fun, but it was cool. Much more trail-like than just a fire road climb and a bomb down. But the parts where you were going down, are definitely pretty fun. So I'd check it out again. I think it'd be more fun the second time, or with someone who lives around here and could show you where to go. I felt like I was stopping every 10 feet and looking at my map trying to figure out which direction the trail went. But yeah, I still had fun. Good way to break up a 12-hour drive, that's for sure. Well, I'm back on the road. It's 6:30 in the morning. I've been driving for a little bit. I stopped at an RV park last night. I didn't even step foot outside. I called ahead, reserved a site, crawled back into bed, slept about 4.5 hours, and got up in the driver's seat, and now we're driving to Wasatch. just stopped in Cedar City and actually got some awesome pizza. Wasn't really expecting that. I think it's called Cedar Wood-Fired or something, and I'm about to head back to camp and see if the spot I'm gonna go to is gonna be empty. It's gotten really popular over the last few years, and you never know, but it's the middle of the week, so maybe I'll get lucky. Just airing down real quick. Just the road's rough enough that it's just more comfortable to air down, so I'm gonna be back here for a little bit doing some exploring anyways, so figured might as well do it. Alright, I don't even know if you guys can hear me over the waterfall right now, but I feel very lucky that there's no one here. I've been coming here about 10 years, and you know, I used to be able to come Friday, Saturday night, and there'd be maybe one person, if that. And over the last few years, it's just gotten really hammered from social media and whatnot. So lucky to be here with no one around, and the view is pretty epic right now. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys. All right, so I just got back to the road. I'm gonna air up real quick. I don't have my ARB twin that I used to have in the truck, so I've got a little Chinese air compressor and it works okay. I think the biggest bummer is that it has a little proprietary air chuck that you can't use normal air hose on, so that's a little clunky. I am gonna convert it just to a normal air chuck so I can just, or an air fitting I should say, so I can just use normal air hose. So I'm just gonna do that and then get back on the road. All right, I just got done airing up. That took entirely too long. It took like 30 minutes or something. So I'm definitely gonna be changing the air fitting on that thing and seeing how that does. And if that doesn't help at all, I'm just gonna have to do the ARB twin. That's the only way that it'll make airing down and airing up make sense for me. All right, back in St. George. Gonna try and go for a little ride, something a little more mellow. I unfortunately started to feel under the weather again. Yesterday was the first day in like 2 weeks where I was like, oh, I actually feel good. Don't have any congestion, whatnot. Woke up today, my throat's all bugging me, so that's sort of a bummer. Just gonna see how this goes. If I don't feel good, I'm just gonna turn around. So we'll see. Just a mellow fire road so far. Very different from the last trails I rode here. I believe I'm riding something called Church Rocks and Dino Tracks. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. Much different than last trails I rode here. Lots of cool little optional, like this, lines. The actual Church Rocks are an offshoot. I saw them on my way back up and out. Pretty cool. All right, I just got done riding Church Rocks. I was gonna link in Dino Cliffs or something, but I definitely think I'm getting sick again. I can feel it in my throat. So I didn't want to push it. I think I'm just gonna kind of head home and cross my fingers I don't get sick, because I'm supposed to race at Sea Otter next week, and I'm kind of feeling like that's not gonna happen, but I don't know. It's been a super fun trip, and I'm looking forward to putting some more time into the van and doing a full walk around and showing you guys everything that's going on. Thank you again to Wasatch Overland and everyone there. They were great, and I'm so stoked on the van, and I'll see you guys in the next one.